set.
Nunag quickly to Lilay.
We can see Lilay being aggressive in front, and her celebration. Shanna Nunag has been activating Lilay Del Castillo. The blockers are late because they're expecting to give the ball to Angel.
21 serving 19. Sharp serve for Lapot. Put down easily for Lilay Del Castillo, now with 8 points.
Back-to-back points for Lilay.
First pass, Canino says bring it on.
That elevation there, targeting the long cross, zone 5. Take a look at that. She doesn't want fourth set anymore, Jaime. Gusto niya nang umuwi.
Sway your way moment of the game, brought to you by Sunsilk. Try the new Sunsilk with Athena Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. 2 away for Angel Canino. Service ace for match point.
Angel Canino, the veterans, doing everything to contribute for her team.
That is one top. De Leon bumps it to Ali, out of system. And the DLSU Lady Spikers remain undefeated here in season 88. And look at them rejoice. 3-set win for